Welcome to my YouTube channel AI Stories by Anjali. In today's video, we are going to see the Role of the Week series. The role that we are going to discuss in this week is AI engineer. Let us see what exactly the responsibilities of an AI engineer and what are the skills that are required for becoming an AI engineer and also the pay scale details. Let us dive deep into the video. What is the main responsibility of an AI engineer? If you consider the word AI engineer, there are two different words, AI and engineer. AI means artificial intelligence. Engineer means a person who is responsible for providing solutions and for designing solutions for a problem. So with the help of artificial intelligence, he need to develop a solution for a particular problem. So that is the main responsibility of an AI engineer. So let us see the each responsibility in detail. First thing is problem definition. A person, in order to find a solution, always need to identify the problem. What is the problem about? Where is the problem? And how they can find solution to that problem. So these are the main things that they need to understand. So the primary responsibility is problem definition. And the second thing is data management. As I have been continuously mentioning, data is very important and we need to manage the data in a very good manner. Otherwise, we cannot able to derive the insights from the data. So whatever the role, whether it is any role related to data field, the first thing is they need to know how to manage the data, how you can collect the data, how you can clean the data, how you can pre-process the data before you apply any model on it. So that is the main roles and responsibilities of an AI engineer. Next, the third thing is a model development. So development is one of the important criteria that you need to remember in your mind whenever you are dealing with any of the development work. So for example, I could say model development. So that means you need to develop a model for a particular problem. So how you can develop the model? You need to identify the correct algorithm for your model, not applying every algorithm to every to the data set and see the results, but that doesn't make any sense. So you need to understand the algorithm. So that is one responsibility of an AI engineer. So next thing is the deployment and integration. So once you develop an AI power packed product, you need to deploy it and also you need to integrate it. For example, in order to use a chat GPT in your existing problem domain, for example, if you want to build a customized chatbot for your application or for your business, so how you can do that? Now with the help of chat GPT API, you can build. So that is the main thing. So developing an integration, you need to develop some APIs, integrate the APIs, deploy the product. So deployment and integration are the main responsibilities of an AI engineer. And the next thing is monitoring and maintenance. Of course, this is very important because once you develop the product, you need to monitor it because nothing is perfect in this world, right? So that is the main thing. And the next thing is ethical and regularly compliance. I have been mentioning about this multiple times in our videos, like whenever you're dealing with data, always make sure you're following ethical considerations related to that data. And the next two things are collaboration and communication, research and innovation. Of course, these two responsibilities are primarily important not only for AI engineer but for every field, because whenever you're working in an organization, always you should have a collaborative type of character and communication, proper communication, because if you don't have such type of skills, then you're unable to communicate with the people. So that definitely lacks you in some or the other kind of scenario. So always make sure you should have that. And research and innovation, of course, an engineer is a person who need to find a solution. You need to be research, you need to be innovative. So these are the primary things that an AI engineer should possess, and AI engineer will do in his job. Coming to the skills, this is a completely coding related job. So you should have strong foundational coding skills in order to become an AI engineer. And machine learning, you need to know the machine learning algorithms, you need to understand the frameworks. So very strong foundational knowledge and depth knowledge in frameworks is very much essential for this AI engineer role. Next, data handling. As I'm mentioning, you need to handle the data. Always make sure you need to have good interest and also good experience in handling the data, like cleaning part, data pre-processing part, etc. Next, I'm mentioning couple of times in my previous videos, data is all about understanding the math behind the model. So you need to have good math knowledge like statistics, probability, calculus, and linear algebra and AI frameworks. So currently there are some famous frameworks like scikit-learn, Keras, PyTorch, TensorFlow, OpenCV, etc. So always make sure you should have mastered this frameworks if you want to grow in this AI field. Next, coming to the skill is software development. Of course, is very important because you need to build an AI product. So it's like you are applying data, but the cycle, the phases are almost similar. So you need to have a basic understanding of SDLC, etc., and how you can develop it. So this is one primary skill. And next, cloud platform. So cloud is one of the important and essential thing for every person nowadays, because whenever if you're doing any IT job, so many of the companies are shifting to cloud because the resources will be managed by them, and also you no need to have you don't need to spend much resources or cost towards that, right? So that's why cloud is very important. And my suggestion is always make sure to have one good complete knowledge about the cloud. And currently in this world there are three major providers: AWS, Azure, and GCP. So make sure you have uh, thorough knowledge at least in one particular platform. Don't go for multiple platforms like learning this like that. Just master any one, and having good certifications is very essential. Like not essential, but yeah, it adds value. So I could say next thing is data visualization. So of course is very important because if you have good visualizations and if you tell and communicate the compelling story, that makes you to stand in a different way, you know. So that is really worth to have such type of skills. The next thing is a natural language processing, that is NLP, and computer vision. So these two are two separate branches that have been evolving, especially after the advent of ChatGPT, I could say. And if you want to have a very profound and want to grow in this particular field, so I could say these two are major areas of concentrations that you should definitely learn and need to explore. So these are the primary skills that need that essential for an AI engineer. Coming to the salary details, as an entry level employee, you can earn up to 1 lakh per annum and $40 to $80 per hour for a contract employee. And in the mid level, you can earn 90K to 1 lakh 40K and $80 to $120 per hour for a contract based employee. And in the senior level position, you can earn 2 lakh plus per year and $120 to $200 per hour for a contract based employee. So I hope you understand this video. Thank you so much for watching the video, and the people who are already subscribed to my channel and who have been encouraging and supporting me, thank you so much. And for the new watchers, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel AI Stories by Anjali, and tap the bell icon for latest notifications. And soon the LLM series will be popping up in our channel. So please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't miss it. And many of you have been asking me for LLM series, so I'm preparing on that. The videos are on the way, so definitely you can grasp some knowledge, and I hope that is definitely helpful for you all. Thank you so much. Thank you.